In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Docusign to Google Docs. Now, the first thing you have to do, you actually want to open up your Google Docs, and from here, you want to go to the Extensions tab up top once you have a document open, and then from here, you want to click on Add-ons and click on Get Add-ons. Now, in here, you'll be able to search for apps, so type in Docusign like this, press Enter on your keyboard, and there it is. You want to click on it, and you want to click on the Install button. Now, this will basically open up this pop-up window where you will have to press Continue at the bottom, and also you'll have to confirm a few things, so click on Continue again, the bottom right, and then this is going to start loading for a few seconds, and whenever that's done, you'll see it's been successfully added to your Google Docs. There we go. You can click on Done, and that's it. You can close this away. Now from here, I would refresh the website like this. There we go. Refresh your document, and then at the very bottom right here inside your document, you'll be able to see like an arrow, so click on that, and it's going to show the side panel, and in here you can see you have your Docusign. So actually click on that, and you'll be able to basically pop up this extension over here, and there we go. First you have to grant permission, so in case you haven't done that earlier, you have to grant permission. Click Continue over here. I'm gonna just select all here and press Continue, and whenever you do that, it's going to allow you to basically connect it to your Docusign account in a few seconds. So this is going to start loading. There we go. You have to then log in, so just log into your account, and then you can basically start using Docusign directly over here inside Google Docs. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.